Question 3.6, calculate the area of triangle LSN, the whole triangle. Right, the whole triangle. Remember what we can do. We can find the base here. Remember, the base and the height, they are perpendicular. So it means we can have LS as our height and LN as our base. So we found that LN is 2 root 5. But let's just do it. So let's find the length of LN. LN is equal to the square root of x at L minus x at N squared plus y at L minus y at N squared. So Ln is equal to, right, x at L, that is negative 4 minus negative 2 minus negative 2. And then all this squared, and then plus y at L, which is 1, minus y at N, which is negative 3 squared, right? And then you can put this in the calculator. Ln is equal to 2 root 5. That is 2 root 5. So this is 2 root 5. And then the area of a triangle, a simple formula that you can use is half times base times height. So area triangle LSN is equal to half times base, which is 2 root 5, and then times 4 root 5, right? And then you get your 20 units squared. Remember, we found the angle LNS, so you can use the area rule. Remember the area rule? So we have this side, we have the angle, we have, we need to find SN. We need to find the length of SN so that we have an included angle here. Right, let's find the length of SN. That's another method. Let's do it like this. Then we can use the area rule. Right, remember area rule? We usually use triangle ABC. You say area triangle ABC is equal to half AB sine C. Now let's find SN. Remember, for an area rule, you must have an included angle. You must have side, angle, side. SN is equal to x at N minus x at S squared plus y at N minus y at S squared. Then Sn is equal to square root of x at N is negative 2 minus x at S, which is 4. So it's negative 2 minus 4 squared plus y at N, which is negative 3, and then minus y at S, which is 5, and then squared. Okay, if you put this in the calculator, you'll get that Sn is equal to 10 units. Right, and then from here we can use what? We can use our area rule. Let's just use the space here. So area of triangle LSN is equal to half, and then we have this side 10, we have another side, the 2 root 5, this is 10 units, right? 2 root 5, and then we have our angle, which is sine 63,44 degrees. Then put this in the calculator. Area triangle LSN is equal to, you get 20,000888152. This is 20 units squared.